If you're looking for the perfect spot to unwind with the family or escape on a luxury adults-only getaway, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular resorts in Punta Cana, Dreams Flora Resort and Spa. Let's take a look at why this could be the perfect choice for your next vacation. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Dreams Flora Resort and Spa is an all-inclusive resort located just 25 minutes from Punta Cana Airport on the beautiful Cabeza del Toro Beach in the Dominican Republic. Whether you're looking to take a break with the family, enjoy some alone time as a couple, or celebrate with friends, this resort has something for everyone. With 520 rooms, stunning beachfront views, and endless activities, it's definitely a place to relax and recharge. Let's talk about the rooms. Dreams Flora offers a variety of family-friendly suites and junior suite options that cater to all types of travelers. You'll have the option of breathtaking ocean views, a tropical oasis, or even a swim-up suite, some with a private valley bed. Each suite is completed with included amenities and toiletries, daily housekeeping service, and a fully stocked minibar. Plus, the service here is top-notch, making sure every guest feels like a VIP. For an even more luxurious stay, you can upgrade to a preferred club suite, which gives you the best room locations, private check-in and check-out, a dedicated a la carte restaurant for breakfast and lunch, and the best part, your own butler. When it comes to dining, you won't be disappointed. Dreams Flora offers 8 delectable dining options, including 5 a la carte restaurants, one of which is exclusive to preferred club guests, a buffet, a cafe, and a snack grill. Plus, with 24-hour dining options like room service, you can enjoy meals at any time, day or night. No reservations are required except for the teppanyaki tables, and the restaurant openings rotate throughout the week based on occupancy, so there's always something new to try. The amenities at Dreams Flora are truly amazing. There are multiple pools to choose from, including a family pool, water park and splash pad, and an adults-only pool for those looking for a more peaceful experience. The activities are endless too. You can enjoy things like water aerobics, non-motorized water sports, and snorkeling. And if you've ever wanted to try scuba diving, they offer an introductory scuba diving lesson in the pool to get you started. If you're into more relaxing options, there's plenty of beachside lounging, or kayaking for those who prefer a more active beach day. One of the things I love about Dreams Flora is that they cater to both families and couples. The resort offers family-friendly activities like supervised kids clubs, beach games, and poolside fun for the little ones. But if you're seeking some peace and quiet, there is a preferred club adults-only pool, perfect for a relaxing afternoon. It's the best of both worlds. If you're looking to explore beyond the resort, there are plenty of excursions to enjoy. From snorkeling in crystal clear waters to ziplining through the jungle or exploring local markets, you'll find an activity to fit every family member's interests. And the best part, Amstar, located in the lobby, can help you book everything so you don't have to lift a finger. So, why should Dreams Flora be on your radar for your next vacation? If you're a family with kids, you'll love the laid-back atmosphere and tons of kid-friendly amenities. For couples or adults, the adults-only pool and luxury services make it feel like a getaway just for you. Plus, you'll be getting that luxury, all-inclusive experience that provides more value for your money than other resorts. And trust me, when you're looking to book a vacation with the family or for a romantic escape, this place is hard to beat. If Dreams Flora looks like your kind of getaway, let's make it happen. I help busy families and couples book effortless luxury vacations, so you don't have to stress over the details. Click the link in the description to get started. And if you want to see more incredible resorts, check out this next video where I review another top-rated all-inclusive. See you there.